In this video, I'll show you how to install Claude AI on a Windows computer using the official desktop app. The setup only takes a couple of minutes. First, I'll open my web browser and go to Claude.ai. Once the page loads, I'll see the Claude homepage with options to continue with Google or enter an email address. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up here. Below the login area, there's a button that says Download Desktop App. I'll click that button to download the Claude installer for Windows. Once the download finishes, I'll open my Downloads folder and double-click the file called Claude Setup. Now, a Windows security warning window appears asking, "Do you want to run this file?" It shows the publisher as Anthropic PBC, which confirms it's the official installer. To continue, I'll click the Run button. After clicking Run, Windows starts installing the Claude desktop application. This usually takes just a few seconds. When the installation finishes, the Claude app opens automatically on my computer. If prompted, I'll sign in using Google or my email address, the same way I would on the website. Now Claude is fully installed on Windows. I can open it anytime by searching for Claude in the Start menu, and if I want quicker access, I can right-click the app icon and pin it to the taskbar, and that's it. Claude AI is now successfully installed and ready to use on your Windows computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy AI tutorials.